Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click System, Language as an input and Virtual Keyboard. Select keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard, and click on Theme. Now tap on the plus sign under My Themes and select a photo, for example that one. Over here you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, click Next. Adjust brightness, tap Done, and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. When you're done, click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!